We learned a lot, and we have had a good sharing of ideas. And I hope that this convergence of ideas, sharing of knowledge, will create that ripple effect for us to tell everyone and realize that much has been said, but there's still a lot of things to be done when it comes to sustainability. And as a first-year law student decades ago, matagal na yun, I remember this buzz phrase, alam din ni Atty. Mara to, Oposa versus Factoran, intergenerational responsibility. And I hope gatherings like this will be the start. Sabi ko nga, ripple effect, it will be the start of a deeper devotion or deeper sense of this intergenerational responsibility among us. So thank you very much. It has been a pleasure. Thank you to CGFD. Thank you to all our panelists. Thank you to our speakers. And thank you to UNDP for making this possible. And we are looking forward to more years of hosting the same roadshow for our stakeholders. Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay na po. Uwian na po. Ito. Hindi, syempre meron po tayong token para sa ating Direct Reggie.